it's Rob from the Door Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install an IKEA drawer front. First thing you want to do is remove this plastic cover plate. In the top slot there's a spot for your screwdriver. Fits in. Turn it counterclockwise to release the front. Do the same thing on the other side. And we're off. Now we can go ahead and remove the existing hardware. Once this is out, we can transfer our hole locations. For this application, we're going to use the bottom hole and the top hole. So here we have 5/8 and 2 1/8. And we can measure our distance in. We have 1.5 inches for both. Just extend our lines a little bit. For this application, we're just going to use wood screws to fasten it back in. Once that's done, we can go ahead and repeat for the other side. Now that you've installed the clips to your new drawer front, you can go ahead and clip it back into the existing drawer. Put our plastic clips back on.